As we all know, the crypto market is currently in a state of calm, however poised for a potential bull run, and I like to call it the third cycle. The third cycle is, from my point of view, just around the corner. Now, despite the quiet, altcoins remain undervalued and primed for an explosive surge, and among these are real-world assets, and especially these tokens such as Mantra DAO's OM token. Mantra's tokenized real-world asset ecosystem comprises both a dApp ecosystem and a modular execution layer. So Mantra aims to create a highly liquid real-world asset ecosystem of permissioned dApps where users pass KYC in order to trade regulated products on a permissionless chain where anyone can use and anyone can build on the Mantra chain. Now, in doing so, Mantra will provide advanced functionalities that are unavailable in a typical non-custodial decentralized exchange environment. From the beginning of 2024, the OM token has risen by more than 1,700%, and in the previous month, it reached its new all-time high of $1.14. And this growth is accompanied by some Mantra events in Dubai, which we're going to discuss later. So welcome back to Mantra's overview with Crypto Never Sleeps, as we will revisit the incredible events from Mantra in the past months. Furthermore, in the end, we will look at some price predictions ranging from 2024 to 2025. Now, as always, in case you are new to crypto, then let me start off with the obvious. Get yourself educated as fast as possible, because this market is poised to take off. And it is truly with great conviction and hard work that I will try to provide you with top quality projects just like Mantra. So please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and join the live streams that will be on soon again, so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi, and I am a real investor. The live price today is trading at $1.11, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 70 with a live market cap of more than $900 million. Now, it's truly not an understatement when I say that we've been witnessing significant progress across the Mantra ecosystem over the past few months, from groundbreaking partnerships to exciting product developments, and especially venture capital flowing into Mantra from some international global financial corporations, almost guaranteeing Mantra's future success. The first piece of big news is that Mantra is to tokenize $500 million real estate assets for a UAE builder, and the group is called MAC Group. So Mantra chain will tokenize 500 million, half a billion of MAC Group's real estate assets, starting with the Ketura Reserve project and a 75 million mega mansion in Dubai. So investors will earn 8% yield through stablecoins and additional OM tokens, which will be specified later. This aligns with the trend of tokenizing real-world assets, projected to reach 4 trillion by 2030, even though broad adoption is still developing. But Mantra recently raised $11 million for this initiative and has secured a license from Dubai's crypto regulator VARA. Mantra has also launched OM liquidity pool on the base chain, and this move marks a notable milestone in bringing liquidity on-chain to create a thriving multi-chain real-world asset ecosystem. So their OM with Ethereum liquidity pool on Uniswap already has more than $5 million in liquidity, enabling all users to swap freely on Ethereum. And similarly, Mantra is bringing this deep liquidity to the base liquidity pool, which is live on Uniswap. And the newly launched OM pool on Base has been bootstrapped with 25% of the existing Uniswap liquidity pool on Ethereum. So this would enable you to seamlessly perform swaps on Base chain with minimal slippage. And now, without a doubt, the biggest piece of news, at least from my point of view. Mantra signed a memorandum of understanding with Sand Bank in order to streamline the real-world asset tokenization procedure. And the partnership aims to establish a robust regulatory framework compliant with Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority. It focuses on simplifying RWA distribution, listing, and identification while ensuring compliance and investor protection. And the collaboration seeks to enhance the exchange and custody of real world assets, promoting confidence and broad adoption within the UAE. And this agreement aims to elevate real world assets' role in retail banking services within the jurisdiction. And please, I mean this, have a look at Sandbank's shareholders because they include the likes of Franklin Templeton, who manages more than 1.5 trillion, and the Atia Birla Group, who brings unmatched global operating experience across diverse sectors and markets spanning 36 countries, and a formidable financial service experience with funds under management of 57 billion. Leap Wallet, they have also integrated Mantra in order to enhance user accessibility to tokenized real world assets. So Leap's mobile wallet and web extension are now live on the Hongbei testnet, and this integration will fuel greater RWA adoption by enabling Leap Wallet users to select the Mantra network directly, paving the way for easy access to native Mantra assets within Leap upon mainnet. And Swissborg, which is a leading blockchain-based crypto wealth management platform, has included Mantra's token in their RWA thematic, an investment basket of top crypto projects in the real-world assets vertical. So with 1.39 billion in users' crypto assets and EU licensing, inclusion in the Swissborg's RWA thematic basket reflects the robustness and potential of Mantra's ecosystem. And Mantra launches RWA Savings Vault powered by Ondo's USDY. So Ondo's USDY provides exposure to short-term US Treasury yields while maintaining stablecoin utility and will debut with Mantra's blockchain later this year. So to celebrate, Mantra and Ondo will incentivize a multi-chain vault offering USDC contributors immediate high-quality yield and additional Ondo tokens and OM coins upon mainnet launch. The vault will open in June on Ethereum and Base with a ratcheting reward schedule to prevent dilution of returns. And this initiative aims to merge DeFi composability with institutional-grade finance, positioning the USDY as a cornerstone of the RWA ecosystem. Mantra and SOT also joined forces to transform tokenized institutional offerings. SOT, which is an ecosystem that connects liquidity across traditional finance and on-chain finance, effectively expediting the influx of assets and capital between the two sectors. And this collaboration is set to revolutionize the landscape of asset tokenization, targeting the expansion of access to institutional-grade fixed income products and RWAs within the Mantra ecosystem. So through this partnership, SOT will leverage Mantra's chain to tokenize a variety of RWAs, including trade finance receivables, sovereign government bonds, US Treasury bills, and corporate credit. This initiative will significantly enrich the Mantra ecosystem by introducing a range of tangible, yield-generating investment opportunities to its community. Last but not least, Mantra's Hongbei incentivized testnet is now live. And this launch is marking a significant step toward integrating traditional financial markets with decentralized finance. So following Mantra's initial testnet phase successful launch in November 2023, Mantra is now ready to welcome over 100,000 enthusiastic participants, including me, to dive into the innovative fields of its security-first Layer 1 blockchain dedicated to RWA tokenization. And key features of the Hongbei testnet includes the adoption of OM as the native token, improved developer access to the Cosmos WASM for streamlined dApp creation and enhanced user interaction through custom modules and UI deployment. And finally, let's take a look at some future price predictions and see what the sentiment is like. And the first future price prediction comes from Wallet Invest, and they believe we're going to see a high in 2024 of $1.93 and $3.82 in 2025. Second one comes from Trading Beast, and they're seeing a high in 2024 of $1.72, $1.75 in 2025. The last one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they predict the price will hit $2.45 in 2024 and $2.89 in 2025. And that's all I got to say about that. I hope this video brought you some kind of value, and if it did, then hit like, smash, subscribe, and all them goodies. I mean, we have been huge fans of Mantra, and as you might know, we got in at 27 cent or 22 cent on the dollar, and we are currently up more than 4,900%. I mean, Betty is ecstatic. Remember, I own nothing, and Betty owns everything, and I'm a real investor for Betty. Take care. See you soon.